Hello my friend, welcome to my video. So my friend, in this video I will share my whole day routine. What did I do today? Where did I go? And what types of difficulties did I face? So my friend, before starting the video, if you are new in this channel and if you are new and watching this video, then I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rakesh and I'm an English teacher. I try to teach English to beginner level student. So my friend, let's start the video. My friend, today I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Then I performed my daily routine work. Okay, like I took bath, brushed my teeth, I swept the floor. Okay, and I did some yoga. But the thing is that I was doing yoga, I was doing pranayam. Then my aunt, like my father's brother's wife. Okay, so my aunt came into my room and he just called me Rakesh. And he said, I want to go, means I want to take your uncle. Okay, means I want to take my husband to the hospital. The hospital is 15 kilometers from our home. So, so she asked, will you just confirm? Will you call the doctor and confirm is the doctor on duty or not? Then I said, okay, I, I, will- I will confirm. Then I called the doctor and I confirmed that, and doctor actually picked my phone. That is a good thing that doctor actually picked my phone at 9 o'clock. That is the duty time. Okay, so he picked my phone, and I asked him, if you are on duty, then we would like to come to for a checkup there. So he said, yes, come and make a prescription slip. Then I will be sit in my OPD ward. Okay, come and check it up there. Okay, then my aunt, she actually hired a taxi. She hired a taxi like um, 10 seater taxi. So my one more relatives, okay, they also wanted to go to that hospital. Okay, so they relatives and my uncle, aunts, and me, we we all we all actually went to the hospital. Then we got in the taxi. Okay, because for small vehicle, when we enter we use get in. Okay, so I got in the taxi. All persons actually got in the taxi. Okay, then yeah, then we left. Okay, so like half of the way, okay, i was feeling I was not feeling good because I was sitting in the back seat. Okay, so that time in back seat there was no window. Okay, so I was feeling suffocations. Okay, I actually felt vomiting. Okay, then I asked, then I just said to the driver. Okay, he pulled the pulled the taxi over. Okay, and I just want to get out from the taxi and want to some fresh air. Then I got off the taxi and I took some fresh air. I just stretched my body. Then I just felt some relax. Then I sat again and we went. We drove all the way to the hospital. Okay, but 1 kilometer behind the hospital there was a huge jam. Okay, so because some VIP personality were coming nearby the city, so that's why that policeman they actually stopped all the vehicles. Okay, but after 5 minutes I actually got in the taxi and I just went to the that policeman was managing that traffic. Okay, so I went and just asked, actually we want to go to the hospital, so please give the permission. So he said, okay, no problem, you just come and you can go. Okay, so we actually went. Okay, then we reached the hospital. I got the prescription slip made. That is the right word. Okay. Yeah, you can say I got the prescription slip. Okay. Then I went. Then I took my uncle to the doctor. So they both, I just wait for 10 minutes there. My number, actually my turn actually came. Then me, I actually took my uncle to the doctors. So doctor checked them. Doctor checked him, asked many questions. Okay, about, there are so many medical types of questions that actually doctor asked. Then doctor actually, I think is that doctor said you need to run some test. Okay, so doctor actually wrote some blood test. Okay, and also prescribe some medicine. So we actually came out from the hospital. Okay, and we actually ran some ran that test outside the hospital, in the private clinic. Okay, so then in between the result, when the result came, okay, you can say, um, we were waiting. They said that clinic in the clinic, person said you have to wait 1 hour. Within 1 hour the test report will come. Okay, so we wait. So till the time, like in 1 hour, we actually had some lunch. Okay, then after 1 hour, i I took the result. Okay, and then I again went to the doctors. Okay, the doctor was not sitting in his seat. Then I called the doctor. He said, I'm sitting in different place. Come there and show me your test report. Then I went to that specific room at, and I showed the test. He said there is some problem in liver and some other things, BP also. So he said, I actually prescribed that medicine. The same medicine you have to take, and that is a good treatment for your problems. Okay, for your illness. So after that, I actually took the medicine in the medical store. Okay, so the medical store, and I paid 170 rupees for that medicines. So the bill was 170 rupees. Okay, then me, my relatives. Okay, my relative also got free. Okay, they actually also went with us to for a checkup. Okay, so they actually also got checked up. We got free, like by 3 p.m. Then we got in the taxi, and we all drove all the way to home, and we reached, I think, within 1 hour at our home. So that was very hectic day. Okay, because actually I actually in the hospital I did so many works, like sometime I went to the doctors. Doctor was not there, so I called. Sometime I went to the clinic. Sometime I had to go to the, like, a clinic lab to get the result of the test. Okay, so I actually ran so much in between and into the hospital. Okay, here, there. Okay, it was so much hectic, but it's okay, because my totally intention to help the person, to help my relatives. Okay, so that was very hectic day. So that is the my different routine, whole day routines. Okay, so that's why I have come in front of you to tell you that routine, so you understand these things. Like, you can also practice like this every day. This will boost your confidence. So my friend, if you like this video, please like and share, and keep learning and keep growing. That's very, very important. Just start speaking. If you really want some help, so don't hesitate, comment me. Okay, you can comment, you can write something in comment. I will really reply and help you. Thank you very much.